Tuscaloosa County convicted sex offender was back in court today for a hearing on some new charges he's facing. Chelsea Barton was there in that courtroom as well. Chelsea, what happened?
Well, Lynn, you're right. 49-year-old Keith Allen Pate did have a preliminary hearing scheduled for today, but he chose to waive his right to it, meaning that prelim will not happen and his case will go straight to a grand jury. Court records show Pate is facing 12 felony child pornography possession charges after Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's deputies discovered disturbing images on his phone back in a drug arrest in July. Those records show Pate was booked into the Tuscaloosa County Jail then on a meth possession back in July of 2017. During that arrest, numerous cell phones were seized from Pate's mobile home in Coker and examined by law enforcement. That's when the pornographic images of young girls were discovered, according to court records. We spoke with Tuscaloosa County District Attorney Hayes Webb just after Pate waived his right to his preliminary hearing today. Webb says there's a common reason why many defendants do this.
Some people have their hearings and some people don't. And a preliminary hearing is just an opportunity for a defendant to test the probable cause in their case. And I think sometimes it's so clear that they decide to go ahead and waive that hearing, their right to have that hearing. What our office does, though, is we try to assure that the defendants have discovery, the information related to the case in advance. And so with that information, it typically answers a lot of the questions that the defendants or defense lawyers have. And that's often a reason for people to waive their preliminary hearings.
And according to the state's sex offender registry, Pate was convicted of second-degree sexual assault of an 8-year-old girl back in 2002. Pate's child pornography possession case will move straight to a grand jury. Live tonight, I'm Chelsea Barton, WVUA 23 News.
Thank you, Chelsea.